Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to wipe metadata, author history, and track changes in Microsoft Word before sharing. This instantly scrubs your hidden editing times, personal account name, and deleted comment strings so nobody can reverse engineer your document history. First, open your confidential file in Microsoft Word. Look at the top left corner of the menu row and click on File. Make sure you are on the Primary Info tab, located at the top of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel. Move your eyes to the center column, locate the Inspect Document block, and click the Check for Issues button. Select Inspect Document from the small drop-down choice list to launch the background scanning tool. A security checklist layout window will pop up. Leave all tracking items checked and click the Inspect button at the bottom. Review the results panel, locate the header labeled Document Properties and Personal Information, and click Remove All. Next, scroll down to the Comments, Revisions, and Versions section, and click the matching Remove All button to kill hidden track changes. Click Close on the Inspection Utility tool, save your fresh file layout, and your cleaned file is ready to send out safely. And that's it. Your private data tracking scrub configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.